Are you in the market for a deep fryer that delivers perfectly golden, crispy results every time? Whether you're whipping up some fries for the family or experimenting with fried desserts, finding the right electric deep fryer can make all the difference. Stick around as we count down the best electric deep fryers, ranked from the weakest to the very best. Let's dive in. Let's kick off our list with the T-fal mini deep fryer. This little powerhouse is all about keeping small things simple and straightforward. With its compact design, it's perfect for kitchens where space is tight, or for those who don't need to fry up massive portions. Its 1-quart oil capacity is ideal for personal servings, and the non-stick bowl makes cleanup a breeze. But here's the catch. Its low 900-watt power means it takes longer to heat up and recover between batches, which can be a deal breaker if you're trying to fry for a crowd. And that limited capacity? Not great if you've got guests coming over. While the adjustable thermostat is a nice touch for precision, this model is really suited for light-duty frying. Bottom line, the T-fal mini deep fryer is a solid option if you're tight on space or cooking for one, but falls short for larger needs. Next up, we have the Elite Gourmet 2100, stepping things up slightly in size and power. This fryer offers a 2-quart capacity, making it better suited for small families or a couple of friends. It features a convenient viewing window on the lid, letting you monitor your food without lifting the top and risking splatter. However, the EDF 2100 has its drawbacks. Users have noted some temperature inconsistencies which can make it tricky to get uniform results. And while the compact size is a plus for storage, it does limit how much food you can fry at once. Despite these quirks, the Elite Gourmet is a decent choice for those looking for an affordable and straightforward fryer. Moving up in capacity, the Elite Gourmet 3500 offers 3.5 quarts of frying power in a slightly larger footprint. It features a 30-minute timer, a non-stick inner container, and an odor filtration system, making it a more refined choice for mid-sized households. The heating element is fully immersible, ensuring consistent and efficient frying. Despite its advantages, the 3500 has a couple of notable drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with the power cord, which can feel a bit finicky and prone to disconnecting. Additionally, the frying basket isn't the largest, so you may find yourself cooking in multiple batches for bigger meals. Overall, the 3500 strikes a good balance between features and performance, but isn't without its compromises. The Kalorik takes things to the next level with a focus on eco-friendliness and convenience. Its built-in oil filtration system is designed to save you time and money by allowing you to reuse oil with ease. Plus, with 1700 watts of power, it heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures. That said, durability can be a concern with this model. Some users have reported issues with the oil filtration system leaking if not handled properly. While its capacity is decent for smaller households, larger families may find it a bit limiting. Still, the Kalorik is a fantastic pick for eco-conscious users looking for a straightforward, efficient fryer. The Hamilton Beach is a true workhorse for family-sized frying. With a 3-liter oil capacity and an 8-cup food capacity, this fryer can handle everything from chicken wings to donuts. It's packed with safety features, including a magnetic detachable cord that prevents accidental tipping, and its dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze. However, its size is a double-edged sword. While it's great for frying up large batches, it takes up a significant amount of counter space. Some users have also mentioned that the magnetic cord detaches too easily, which can be frustrating during use. But if you're cooking for a crowd, the Hamilton Beach is a reliable choice. The Kalorik Pro is all about versatility and modern convenience. Its digital display and multiple frying baskets make it one of the most feature-packed fryers on our list. The 4.2-quart oil capacity is perfect for large families, and the built-in oil filtration system ensures minimal waste. That said, some durability concerns have been noted, particularly with the viewing window on the lid, which can warp over time. Still, this fryer's combination of power, capacity, and thoughtful features make it a standout option for those who need a reliable, high-performance fryer. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Cuisinart. a fryer that truly delivers on every front. With 4 quarts of capacity and an impressive 1800 watts of power, it's perfect for large families or entertaining. Its immersion-style heating element ensures quick heat up and fast recovery times, so you can fry multiple batches with ease. The sturdy stainless steel construction, cool touch handle, and dishwasher-safe components make it a dream to use and maintain. While the power cord is on the shorter side, that's a small trade-off for the overall quality and performance this fryer provides. In my experience, the Cuisinart is hands down the best electric deep fryer of 2025, offering the perfect blend of capacity, efficiency, and durability. And there you have it, the best electric deep fryers, ranked from weakest to best. Whether you're frying for one or feeding a crowd, there's something on this list for everyone. Let us know in the comments which fryer caught your eye. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.